Here's a walkthrough of the Westgate Las Vegas signature room. I got the 1 king bed here. Let's show you the bathroom. They give you a bunch of toiletries from Bodyography. Pretty nice stuff. Decent. The worst part I'd say though is this bathroom. This bathroom's pretty basic. And it's not the cleanest looking either, as you can see. So yeah, thumbs down for the bathroom. But they do give you a full closet over here with a safe, luggage rack, ironing board, extra pillows. One of the best parts I think are these lights here. These little chandelier lighting. And they have various artwork in here. Muhammad Ali. This does look pretty nice. You get a little bench here to sit on, or just sit, yeah, hang out there and watch some TV. A nice leather couch with a great view. Right outside you have the monorail that takes you over to the strip. And that concludes the room tour. I'd say it's a pretty good room. I paid $100 a night, and they had other rooms for like $50 upgrades that were really nice too. I thought about doing that, but it's a pretty good room for $100. I forgot to mention, it comes with a little fridge.